Ever thought about investing in gold ETFs but not sure where to start? Welcome to the golden world of exchange-traded funds, where we'll explore the glittering allure of gold ETFs. Picture this: a world where the timeless value of gold is harnessed and made accessible to you at the click of a button. That's the magic of gold ETFs. These are investment vehicles that allow you to gain exposure to the price of gold without the hassle of buying and storing physical gold. They offer potential returns that can glitter as brightly as the metal they represent. In today's episode, we'll explore three golden opportunities: GLDM, Ring, and OUNZ. Each one of these ETFs carries its own unique appeal and performance potential. As we peel back the layers of these golden opportunities, we'll uncover the potential returns and risks that each ETF presents. So, sit back, relax, and let's embark on this golden journey together. Stay tuned as we delve into the world of gold ETFs. What's up, everyone? If you're enjoying the video so far and want to see even more helpful tips, tricks, and inspiring ideas, make sure to subscribe. By hitting that button, you'll stay in the loop with all our future uploads. Plus, we'd love to hear from you in the comments. Don't forget to share this with others who might find it useful. First on our list is the Spider Gold Minishares Trust, or GLDM for short. This is an exchange-traded fund that aims to reflect the performance of the price of gold bullion. It's a smaller, more affordable version of the larger Spider Gold Shares ETF, making it an attractive option for those looking to dip their toes into the gold market. GLDM has a solid performance history. Since its inception in mid-2018, it has consistently tracked the price of gold and offered investors a cost-effective way to gain exposure to this precious metal. Its success is largely due to its unique structure and its ability to offer a lower share price than its larger counterpart, making it more accessible to a wider range of investors. One of the key factors contributing to GLDM's growth is its low expense ratio. This means that it costs less to manage compared to other ETFs, which often translates to better returns for investors. Another reason for its popularity is its liquidity. With millions of shares traded daily, investors can easily buy or sell their holdings without significantly impacting the market price. But what truly sets GLDM apart is its unique structure. Unlike other gold ETFs, GLDM is structured as a grantor trust. This means that investors technically own a portion of the gold held by the trust, rather than just a share of a fund. This structure provides investors with more direct exposure to the gold market, which can be an appealing feature for those looking to invest in physical gold without the hassle of storing and insuring it. To wrap up, GLDM offers a cost-effective, liquid, and direct way to invest in gold. Its unique structure and strong performance history make it an attractive option for both novice and seasoned investors. Whether you're looking to hedge against inflation, diversify your portfolio, or simply gain exposure to the gold market, GLDM could be a solid choice. Now that we've covered GLDM, let's move on to our second ETF. Next up, we have iShares MSCI Global Gold Miners ETF, more commonly known as Ring. This exchange-traded fund, or ETF, is a standout in the gold investment world, offering a unique perspective on gold investment. Ring focuses on gold mining companies, meaning that it provides exposure to the gold industry in a way that's different from investing directly in gold itself. Instead of tracking the price of gold, Ring tracks the performance of companies that mine for the precious metal. This provides an interesting dynamic because the value of Ring is influenced not only by the price of gold, but also by factors such as the operational efficiency of mining companies, their profitability, and even geopolitical events that might impact mining operations. Now, let's talk performance. Over the past 5 years, Ring has demonstrated a consistent growth trajectory. It's shown a resilience that's quite impressive, weathering economic storms and coming out stronger. This performance history shows that Ring is not just a flash in the pan, but a robust investment option with a proven track record. What sets Ring apart from other gold ETFs? One primary distinction is its global perspective. Ring includes companies from all over the world, giving investors a chance to benefit from the global gold mining industry rather than being limited to one particular region. This diversity can help spread risk and potentially provide a smoother investment ride. Furthermore, Ring is known for its cost-effective structure. It boasts one of the lowest expense ratios among its peers, making it an attractive choice for cost-conscious investors. To sum up, Ring offers a unique approach to gold investment by focusing on gold mining companies. It has a strong performance history and stands out for its global perspective and cost-effective structure. It's a different kind of gold ETF and certainly worth considering if you're looking to diversify your gold-related investments. With Ring covered, it's time to explore our last ETF. Last but not least, we have the VanEck Merck Gold Trust, more commonly known as OUNZ. OUNZ is a unique player in the gold ETF space. Rather than just passively tracking the price of gold, OUNZ offers investors the additional option to take physical delivery of gold. That's right, you can actually get your hands on the shiny stuff if you so wish. It's like having your own personal Fort Knox, only much more convenient. The aim of OUNZ is to provide investors with an opportunity to invest in gold through the shares and be able to take delivery of physical gold bullion in exchange for those shares. The trust's secondary objective is for the shares to reflect the performance of the price of gold, less the expenses of the trust's operations. Now let's talk performance. Over the past 5 years, OUNZ has demonstrated consistent growth with only a few minor dips along the way. This is due, in large part, to the ever-increasing demand for gold as a safe haven asset. But what makes OUNZ stand out from other gold ETFs? Apart from the option to take physical delivery of gold, OUNZ has a unique tax advantage. In many jurisdictions, selling shares in a gold ETF will trigger a capital gains tax. However, with OUNZ, taking delivery of physical gold is not considered a sale and therefore does not incur capital gains tax. OUNZ also has a lower expense ratio than many other gold ETFs. This means that more of your money goes towards your investment rather than being eaten up by fees. To sum up, OUNZ offers a unique proposition for investors seeking exposure to gold. Its combination of physical delivery, tax advantages, and low fees make it an attractive option for those looking to diversify their portfolio with a gold ETF. So, if you're looking for an investment that offers the security of gold, the flexibility of an ETF, and the potential for physical delivery, OUNZ might just be the golden ticket you've been searching for. Now that we've covered all three ETFs, let's do a quick comparison. Each of these ETFs offers unique opportunities for investors, but how do they compare? Let's dive into the specifics of these three gold ETFs, GLDM, Ring, and OUNZ. Each of these funds has distinct characteristics, and understanding these differences can help you make an informed decision about which one is the best fit for your portfolio. Starting with GLDM, the Spider Gold Mini Shares Trust. This fund aims to reflect the performance of the price of gold bullion. It's a relatively new player in the market, having launched in June of 2018, but it's already made a significant impact. The main strength of GLDM lies in its low expense ratio, making it a cost-effective choice for investors. However, its relative novelty could be a downside for those who prefer established, time-tested funds. Next up is Ring, the iShares MSCI Global Gold Miners ETF. Unlike GLDM, Ring doesn't directly track the price of gold. Instead, it invests in a global portfolio of companies primarily engaged in the business of gold mining. This means that Ring's performance is influenced not only by gold prices, but also by factors affecting the mining industry. So, while it can offer higher returns when gold prices and the mining sector are doing well, it can also be more volatile. Finally, we have OUNZ, the VanEck Merck Gold Trust. OUNZ is unique because it allows investors to take physical delivery of gold if they choose, something neither GLDM nor Ring offers. This feature could be attractive to investors who want the security of being able to hold their investment in their hands. However, the process of taking delivery can be complicated and may incur additional costs. Plus, OUNZ's expense ratio is higher than GLDM's, which could eat into your returns over time. So, how do these three compare? Well, if you're looking for a cost-effective way to invest in gold, GLDM might be your best bet. If you're willing to take on a bit more risk for the potential of higher returns and you're interested in the mining sector, Ring could be a good fit. And if being able to take physical delivery of gold is important to you, you might want to consider OUNZ, despite its higher expense ratio. Remember, investing always involves risks, and it's important to consider your own financial situation and risk tolerance before making any decisions. Knowing the details and comparisons, it's time to discuss the best strategies for investing in these ETFs. So, you're interested in these ETFs, but what's the best way to invest in them? Well, let's delve into that. When it comes to investing in gold ETFs like GLDM, Ring, and OUNZ, it's crucial to keep a few things in mind. First, remember that these are long-term investments. Gold often serves as a hedge against inflation and market volatility, so think of it as a safety net rather than a quick cash grab. Now let's talk about dollar cost averaging. This strategy involves investing a fixed dollar amount at regular intervals, regardless of the ETF's price. When prices are low, you buy more shares, and when prices are high, you buy fewer. Over time, this could potentially lower your average cost per share. This strategy is particularly useful for those who are new to investing or those who prefer a more hands-off approach. But what if you're a little more adventurous? Well, you might consider a strategic buy and hold approach. This strategy involves buying shares when the price is low and holding onto them until the price appreciates significantly. It requires more active management and a keen eye on market conditions, but can potentially yield higher returns. And then there's the tactical asset allocation strategy. This is for the seasoned investors among you. It involves adjusting your investments in response to market conditions or economic trends. For instance, if you anticipate a period of high inflation, you might increase your stake in these gold ETFs as a protective measure. But don't forget, there's no one-size-fits-all strategy. What works for one investor might not work for another. It ultimately depends on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. Always do your due diligence and consider seeking advice from a financial advisor. Remember, the best strategy is the one that aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. So whether you're a novice investor dipping your toes in the water or a seasoned pro looking for a golden opportunity, these gold ETFs could be a valuable addition to your portfolio. Happy investing! We've covered a lot today about the top 3 gold ETFs for 2025, GLDM, Ring, and OUNZ. As the confetti of information settles, let's take a moment to unpack the golden nuggets we've unearthed. First, we dove into the glistening world of GLDM. Remember, it's an ETF that offers a cost-effective and convenient way to invest in gold. Its low expense ratio and solid liquidity make it an attractive option for those looking to add a touch of gold to their portfolio without the hassle of storing physical gold. Next, we swung our pickaxe into the bedrock of Ring. As an ETF that gives investors exposure to companies involved in the gold mining industry, Ring offers a unique way to invest in gold. It's a play not just on the price of gold but on the profitability of gold mining companies. It's a bit more volatile, but with volatility comes the potential for greater returns. Then we sifted through the grains of OUNZ. This one is a bit different, isn't it? OUNZ offers the opportunity to invest in gold, and if you wish, take delivery of physical gold. It's an ETF for those who want the security of knowing they can hold the gold they own. We then compared these 3 ETFs side by side. They each offer different advantages and cater to different investment strategies. GLDM for the cost-conscious, Ring for the risk-takers, and OUNZ for those who want the option to hold their investment in their hands. And of course, we talked about investment strategies. Remember, diversification is key. Don't put all your golden eggs in one basket, and always do your research. The more you know, the better prepared you'll be to make informed investment decisions. But the journey doesn't end here. Next time, we'll be exploring how to balance your portfolio with gold ETFs. We'll discuss how gold ETFs can act as a hedge against inflation, how they can provide a safety net during economic downturns, and how to determine the right amount of gold to include in your portfolio. So there you have it, a golden journey through the world of gold ETFs. We've dug deep, sifted through the dirt, and hopefully struck gold. But remember, investing is a journey, not a destination. It's about continuous learning, adapting, and making informed decisions. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with others who might be interested. Until next time, keep investing smartly.